Africa, back and forth. Yes, family, see the sun there. I walk right now for the bush. That's how it's set. Hey man, Jamaica is Rondie again. So my family, yeah. You know me always tired come I do a documentary. Me always tired no pops, big them up now.
Big up everybody for foreign. Sister Pauline, Auntie Marlene, all of the family. Big up on yourself. Yeah. They are got bush. Look where I go on.
So we'll go over the bush right now. My mama grown. And I'll go take it on the experience. Jamaica, people over the world, I always run there, always I take you. So pops, me and pops grew up and thing. And pops all along the bush there. Me get fat, you see, me get fat and thing. Them money I eat right. Them money are stronger than me and every time I walk, my eyes are blow hard. Come eat too much food when I come back here. Me eat too much food. Me eat too much food, Jamaica, so here we are. Sooner or later I go to the bush now. Alright, later. You see me? See the Jamaica. Manchester. Yeah. Up, yeah. Up. So see there? Yeah. We're going to a bush right now. Jamaica. The new word is up. You see the mountain them? Them point up.
Oh. I don't have any video. The big old White House over there. One over my yard. That yard the big as ever. That man there over Rooster yard. Anything we want to put about them, I can put about it. Anything. Because I'm bridging. Yeah, man. If you want to deal with the wood, I just send down this off. I just send this off, come and you straighten up your thing and you get the money where you go pay the man to go cut the wood. You're good. If me fix up my van by the time you're ready, all the wood can come in the yard. Because my van can't get any.
And you get a carpenter for build it.
Yeah, man. You get the wood up there now. Because now I cut the wood, you know. When you go there, I cut the wood in a board 2 before, lot. 3 wood I cut, you know. So you go on the 2 before them to build the corner post them. All corner posts. Lumber. So, I bought that one. Anytime you're ready, you get down this side. Then you get this off and you're ready. And if you want up and running by the time everything starts out, you go until you come back the wood them and go there and pack up. You see that tree there? The one there. You want up this up?
Now we're going to the spot for the temple. This is the hidden temple I'll go build under the mountains. For the meditation and
a long time I don't come this side here.
ticks no up here.
I think so. You go find none now.
No cow. A cow bring ticks.
I mean, I know cow up here. A long time now, I'm not come up here. I'm going to go them up here already, but you know, they are bush, different bush.
What kind of bush this?
That bit of bush. It's up in the place.
This is how our family they live.
No, I'm not free family live, so I will people where they buy from. I do the mama buy this a long time.
So this is the... So if I cut down all them tree here.
When I cut down, man, you see everything down the road, man. Remember say, every just carry through this, you know. We can go and say, you see, what I don't say, you know. What I go tent real to high you know. Just go right through this.
It's a good view.
I tell you. I tell you that. You see who I don't so. See barbecue. You see big from right. You see the eye line enough. Alain, over this land of Mass Calvin.
So I can dig on the edge for the foundation.
When the man come.
This can be the floor, and we can dig for the enough around, you know.
Enough around.
Enough.
Can work on.
Yes. Oh. Make it easier.
I mean, you get a trade man to come line out, I tell you what happened. How strong this place be?
Man called Pops, tell me about the land, where you plant or so.
Yeah, but me a yellow yam and nigger yam so, cocoa and pumpkin. Banana there like a hill and planting. Down in the cities here. Yeah, man. We're there in a place I go and look.
So this ground is the foundation of our family?
Yeah, man. After I some of them start making anything, man, I come and join up, you know, when I left the place. Get on no bush.
Okay.
We're there at everything. Make really good food from right there, so.
And send your kids them go school?
Yeah, I mean, man, say my picking me go to school bank right now. I don't nobody for giving nothing, you know, so I have to just sit down and go out by myself. And I mean, I sit down and depend on nobody for getting nothing.
So now when the yam thing come up, you actually, the yam come through and then you guide it through the post.
Yeah, man.
And wrap it. And once you wrap it, it just keep running and then it turn into the monster whatever.
Yeah. Fed up and turn them.
So it can't find its way itself. So all this right now not reach the stick yet.
That grow. Sometime when they use them 1 cent, then go find it too, you know.
Them 1 cent?
Yeah, man.
Them find it?
Yeah, man, they find it enough time, man. Enough time you come and they find it, man. After you come and they find it and gone up there, man.
So if the wind blow them just for a second and them feel something, them say about wait.
And maybe through my plant and I made a back way.
Yeah.
Put it from around the back.
Yeah.
Maybe you see they way out there so. So catch it, but you turn it around so.
Yeah.
Maybe that pushing yourself on the tick, you know.
Yeah.
But as it get longer, maybe you can even bow back and come over and come catch it tick set speed.
So if the wind blow it and them feel something, them say wait there, man.
You make a itch.
You remember? You say wait there.
You know, so you turn up and you know when the yam grow. And you can't see it. You never see when it move. Are you ready for right yes or no? Maybe you live yes or no, a man you can't see it right yes, and if you turn up here one night you never see it move. Not true.
Wait,
you can't see it.
With my camera I have time lapse. So if I left my camera overnight, you know, me see it.
Oh, okay, you will see it.
It will take a picture every second.
Oh, so you see it.
Yeah. How about the weekly thing with the youth them? How much you take for spend for youth them in school?
$5,000 a week. $5,000 a week and buy everybody food. I want next 5,000, you know, so 10,000 every week. I have to spend 40,000 a month it cost right here, so. I'm not work for nobody, I just little bush them. Sometimes it's hard to save $1. Cause food there. Yeah. You know, I say shoes I mash up, clothes I mash up, everything I mash up.
Yeah.
So I say rough, so it's hard to save 100-200 money. Right there, so and every day I can't dig and go my plant. You see me? Yeah, so rough. But we still have to go and brace out.
Because them have to take the taxi, them have to...
Yeah. 1 guy Spalding's at school, 2 guy Harry Watch. I'm big that. I take exam next year, so you know, so it's go bigger. So that's what it takes it. So what I go do? If you just go and live for my life or something, I can patch you out. Everybody go through the struggling, you know, so I try to go through for me too. Yeah, man. Everybody go through the struggling, so. I mean, I look where I'm about right now. I just go and do my thing. Anyhow you work out, but you must work out. When I feel me there, good day. I go and work out my thing. Picking them, I'll get big one day too. Can't help me. Like everybody else picking to get big.
Yeah.
Everybody picking to get big, I can't help them. Oh man, something I do. Take time and go and work out there, man.
So if you get a little
get a
push
little
with
push
your
off
van.
with my van, me good. God know me good. Me can
at
move.
least you buy the van now, you just need to fix it.
Yes, me at the van. I just tell our sister Pauline ready. I just push one and push off. Yeah man. Get me van up and running, you can go and market. You can go buy a little yam a week time for the shipper them. You can make a money. Think you a little better too. So you come back here and see me build my little house. I just want a little start.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I go and work my thing, you know. And you work out, you work out. Go and plant the gong them, can help me plant.
Yeah.
I know there's some education to do nothing more.
So the good thing is that you have a plan.
Yeah man, I have a plan, man.
And once you get the van push off, you know not poor about no kids no more.
No, I'm picking them alright.
Money I run.
School free.
Good. And at least you do the same thing over here, try something.
I mean, never try, man. Ever I try. If I'm here since me I try. If I'm here 14 me talk for myself. Yeah, buy my first pair of shoes when I'm 14-year-old, you know. Walk from my back out here, I'm thick as this and buy my first pair of shoes. $80 man different. Yeah, from me a whole little boy me out.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, everything sort out, man. You have to go sort out one idea, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Look how I go on, no?
Jamaica. This is Norway, Manchester. That's where I'm born and grew up. So when you see me, I barefoot and buck toe. You hear me say? Yellow yam and white yam and apple and all them things that me used to eat. Country life me know. That's why I say me do them film me. Come on, I'll forget where me come from. See me? See the cow there? Cow just easy. Yeah man. I tell you.